To add another level of interest to your exposed light bulb, pendant light cord set, or DIY lighting project, use our industrial light bulb cage. The cage is easily attached around most light sockets and held secure with 2 screws, which are included in your purchase. This light bulb cage is compatible with our porcelain, basic, and shade-ready sockets. Our industrial bulb cage is available in 11 different colors and finishes, so don't hesitate to mix and match colors with multiple exposed bulbs. This clean and tasteful accessory will add character to your pendant light cord set or DIY fixture.